Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a beautiful Pink Lagoon cocktail like a pro. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Today we will start by rimming the glass with beautiful pink sugar. So take a Colin glass of about 14 ounces, and first press it on the sponge to coat with lemon juice, and then slowly move it on the pink sugar to create a beautiful rim. You can prepare pink sugar very easily at home, just by slowly spraying pink food color on the sugar. Perfect. Today we will use the build method to prepare this cocktail. So let's start by pouring 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of vodka. Next pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of lime mix. After the lime mix, pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of Grenadine Syrup. Perfect. Now mix all the ingredients. Awesome. Now fill up the glass with lots of crushed ice. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now top up with chilled lemonade. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. The Pink Lagoon cocktail is now ready, so garnish it with a fresh lemon slice and a beautiful white flower. Cheers! Have a great day! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.